The Galaxy A52s 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, known as the ultimate multimedia triple threat. It promises an immersive gaming experience with lifelike graphics, supported by ultra-fast 5G connectivity. This is further enhanced by an accelerated AI for ultra-fast responses, a 120Hz refresh rate for smoother playing with fewer lags, and an advanced game booster for improved gaming performance. The Galaxy A52s 5G is furnished with a high-capacity 4500 mAh battery that can last up to 2 days. Gamers can join online classes or conference calls, complete school or work tasks, browse the web, and still have enough power to play their favorite games. When the battery runs out, they can quickly recharge their device using its 25 watts fast charging technology.